What the heck is this, Subaru? Safety recall notice? I thought Subarus were for safety. 5-star rating. I don't get it. So let's open this thing up and read a little bit more upon what's recalled and if I'm gonna die or not. Urgent important port safety recall. This notice is sent to you in accordance with the National Traffic and Motor Vehicle Safety Act. Subaru of America Incorporated has decided that a defect which relates to motor vehicle safety exists in certain 2006-2007 model year Subaru Impreza and WRX vehicles equipped with the non-desiccated let's try that again. Equipped with a non-desiccated Takata-sourced passenger side frontal airbag containing the propellant phase stabilized ammonium nitrate. Well, that sounds pretty deadly to me. Affected vehicles are equipped with a Takata-sourced passenger side frontal airbag that may be susceptible to moisture intrusion. Over time, that could cause the inflator to rupture when the passenger's frontal airbag deploys in a crash. If the inflator ruptures, metal fragments could strike vehicle occupants, potentially resulting in serious injury or death. Parts are available. Hey, well that's good. I won't have to be driving this deadly car around for too much longer. The time to replace the front passenger airbag inflator is approximately 48 minutes. Wow, they have that down to a science. Changed your address or sold your Subaru? No, and hell no. Well, this wouldn't be a bad time to apologize to all those passengers who could have been potential victims of this airbag. So I'm glad everything turned out well for you and no metal fragments were deployed into your face. Let's figure out what we need to do next. I'm gonna go on the Subaru website, put in my VIN and see what pops up. There should be recall notices on the website. Let's go on ahead and figure this out. This is my first recall with the Subaru, so I'm gonna take you guys along and show you the process and how to get it all resolved. At first I thought this applied only to Imprezas, but it looks like also the Legacy, the Outback, the Forester, Tribeca, even the Saab 92X. But it looks like there's a lot of potential recalls going on here. So if I was you, I'd get on this website and put in your VIN number and just double check your car and make sure that you're not driving around a death trap or trying to kill any of your passengers. Alright, well I'm going to schedule a service appointment and get this inflator fixed before someone is injured or potentially killed. Schedule that service. 155, 362. Whew, she's getting up there, guys. All right, let's get our 157,500 mile maintenance. 150 month maintenance going on. I wonder how much the dealership would actually charge you to get something like this done. That's a lot of things to inspect and replace. It's probably more than what my car is actually worth, to be honest, all this labor cost. But no thanks, I'm just here for that free recall fix and get me out of there, guys. Thank you. All right, let's continue this next. When is the next available date? Early next week, possibly. Let's shoot for February 19th, 7:30 a.m. We got our information entered and I'm gonna hit confirm. Appointment confirmed. Ooh, that's a nice looking one right there. Look at that thing. Well, that went pretty well. Nothing really to it. I have my appointment scheduled and now we wait. But until then, I will be very cautious and won't let anybody sit in the passenger seat unless they're down to ride or die. We will see you on the appointment date. All right, guys. We'll see you soon. So today's the big day. We're going to go get our recall taken care of. Hopefully they can get the airbag piece swapped out and replaced. I'm heading down to the dealership, Subaru ship. Damn, thing is dope, dude. Thing was clean. Just about to pull up to the dealership. Oh, let the zoo begin. Well, I think I found the right place. We're just gonna have to sit and wait our turn. Hello, sir.
Good morning, sir. Have you been helped yet?
No. I had an appointment I scheduled online at 7:30.
Sure, is it for a recall?
Yeah, the airbag recall.
Okay, let me go grab somebody here for you.
All right, right on, thanks. See, they take care of you over here. How's it going, man? Pretty good. How are you? Whoops.
Yeah.
The airbag, frontal airbag.
Oh, gotcha. Okay, cool. How many miles we got?
155, 528.
That's pretty good. How's the car?
Not bad, not bad. But for over 5 years now, so.
That's pretty good.
She's been good to me.
How many miles around when you bought it?
About 80.
That's pretty good.
So still going strong. Said I try to take it easy on her as she gets older, but she's still a fun car.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a quick walk around real quick.
Okay.
Yeah, check out that sexy beauty.
You got those 2018 STI rentals going on?
I wish.
Well, it looks like I'm getting a free rental car for the day. Thank you.
Alright, who's next? Hello.
Oh, it's the Cruise like hatchback. Never seen one of these. All right, man. Thanks a lot. This boy just got a new car. Well, it's a bookie, man. Let's go romp this thing. Just kidding. Haha, I'm liable. Well, that wasn't so bad. I just got a free rental car just because Subaru had a recall. So far, so good. This experience has been pretty pleasant. Let's see what kind of torque this baby's got. This thing already reads more on the dash than my car does. Here we go. Whoa, got some torque steer. Looks like it's front wheel drive. Hey, this thing's booking pretty quick. Man, this Cruise really does cruise very nicely. Pun intended. All right, guys, that's it for now. I will catch up with you when the Subaru's done and when I go pick it up. Alrighty then. Well, I just got the call that the Subaru is ready to be picked up. We're gonna go cruise on over there. And the Chevy Cruise. Don't forget to top off the fuel tank or else you're gonna be paying. I didn't even use a gallon of gas. Gotta love the little economical cars, you know what I'm saying? Sure, I'm gonna miss this sexy car. Bummer, I have to give it back, but all great things must come to an end. All right, take it easy, man. Thank you. You too. All right, $0 to pay for. Did it make it? All right, Zach, that's it, right? But yeah, those things would be sick on here. He's trying to sell me some HRE wheels that he has just laying at his house. I might be down with that. That is not a bad set of wheels to get for your first rims. But man, we back in the Subaru, baby. All right, we're all warmed up. No squeaking. Why is my gas light on? My gas light is on and I have gas. Who knows? Maybe it just has to reset. Doesn't look like they unhooked the battery for this job. My clock still seems to be the right time. Here's the GoPro that was rolling the whole time. Let's check it out here, see. Okay, so it does look like it died. Well, I'm gonna go home and review the footage after work and see what we get, and hopefully I can throw some of that footage in the video. So happy to have the Subaru back. It was only about 5 hours without it, but man, it feels like a lifetime. On the road again. Oh, this Z is sick right here. This thing is sick. Hell yeah. It's on them RPF1 freshies. So overall, I say it was a great success. Yeah, I can't be more excited, man. Got a free rental car. Only took about $3 in gas. My car's faster too. Totally kidding. It is super bizarre that my gas light is still on though. Overall, it was a pretty pleasant experience. I feel like I was taken care of in all areas along the way. They'll pretty much give you whatever you want for free, and that's the way it should be, man. It's their mistake, so they should own up to it, and that's exactly what they did today. They made sure the customer was satisfied, and I think that's what a dealership should do to their customers. Stay loyal and take care of them every step of the way. So that's gonna do it on the whole documentation for this recall process. If you guys do have this airbag recall on your Subaru, don't sweat it. It really is no big deal. Just get your appointment scheduled, show up on that day, and they'll take care of you every step of the way. I missed the boost. I missed the boost, baby. I missed the boost so much. Boy, did I miss the boost. 5 hours with no boost, man. Boost is back in action, baby. All right, guys, just getting back to work now. So I will catch you on the next video. So stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And we'll see you next time.